The Chrysler Crossfire 2004-2008 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a CR2032 battery for replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the key fob case at the seam between front and back halves. Be careful not to scratch or damage the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct polarity with positive side up. Insert the new battery with positive side facing up. Snap the case back together. This is a common maintenance task for Crossfires due to the battery's typical 2 to 5 year lifespan. After replacing the battery, test the remote. If it doesn't work, a remote fix may be necessary. This involves resynchronizing the fob with the car's receiver module by cycling the key 5 to 7 times in the ignition switch while holding buttons. When opening the case, avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Static discharge can harm the circuit board, so handle components carefully. Counterfeit CR2032 batteries can cause intermittent failures. Use reliable brands like Duracell or Energizer. This DIY fix is beginner-friendly and should take about 5 to 10 minutes.